I programmed 2002 Ford Explorer for a guy. Okay, so anyway, what happened afterward is that he couldn't start his car. It will crank but not starting the engine, and as we figure out, he was trying to actually what he ended up doing after a while is because of his anti-theft, he had to disconnect his battery cables, waited for 10 minutes and then reconnected the cables back, and that allowed him to start the car again, because we were wondering if the remote programming caused any problem. It might have, but it worked. I programmed it and it worked, everything worked. He paid me. Anyway, the other option I told him also, but after he disconnect and reconnected the battery terminals, is to use your key, not my key, but your key to lock and unlock your car, to the door, right? That will hopefully disable your anti-theft. We haven't tried that, but for you guys, if that happened to you, you might want to try that for whatever reason. Maybe somebody program your keys, for example, or remote, and it disable your immobilizer. So do that. Use your key to lock and then unlock and try to start your car in order to reset your anti-theft. Or worst case, if you have the tool, is little tool is to disconnect and connect back your batteries after waiting for 10 minutes. So hope that helps, and it's gonna be you might get confused or what the heck going on, how come it didn't start. So anyway, it might be related to programming your car key or your remote. Okay, so hope it helps. On the Ford, probably will work with other, like Mercury or Lincoln cars as well, if you run into these issues. Hope it helps, and we'll see you guys later. Hopefully you'll click the like and subscribe to my next videos. Okay, and please welcome to comment or advice or anything. Hope it helps. Bye.